And today we are going to talk about future forms, at least some of them. There are a lot of ways to describe future in English language, and today we are going to talk about 3 verb forms which we are going to discuss today, and next time I will prepare other verb forms to be described. So what we are going to talk about today is present continuous, future continuous, the structure be going to plus infinitive. So let's see why and when we use a present continuous for the future. We all know that present continuous is mainly used to describe a present action which is happening now, at this moment, in this period of time. But it can also be used to express future arrangements or plans. So something that we have already decided to do in the future. So he's taking the train to Paris tomorrow, or we are traveling to Sicily in August. We have already booked the plane tickets and the hotel. Express actions that are already planned and arranged for the future. Let's move on. Future continuous is another verb form to be used in the future. It's formed by will be plus verb ending in ing. And what does it describe? It describes an action in progress or a temporary action which will be happening at a specific moment or time in the future. So this time next week, I'll be taking photographs with my new camera, or she will be working this time tomorrow, describing the very last sentence. So something that we expect to be doing at a specific moment in the future. And the last form that we are going to describe today is the structure be going to plus infinitive. You can see how it's formed. And it can express intentions, so something that we intend to do in the future, like she's going to be a professional dancer when she grows up, predictions, or something that we see is going to happen. Look out, he's going to break that glass. Or take a look at these clouds, it's going to rain. And we can also express commands by using this structure, by saying, for example, you're going to pick up all of those toys right now. This room is a mess. Now, to clarify something, we can use all these verb forms with the same action, for example, and all these sentences would be grammatically absolutely correct. But it depends on what each of these sentences would mean. So I took an example of a collocation, meet a friend, and I used it in all 3 phrases and verb forms that we discussed today. So, for example, I'm meeting a friend today afternoon is something that we have already arranged, so it is certain to happen. I'm meeting my friend. We have already arranged this meeting. I will be meeting a friend this time tomorrow. We expect to be doing something, to be meeting a friend at this time tomorrow, at this specific time in the future. And by saying I'm going to meet a friend next week, we just express intention or what we intend to do in the future. Thank you for listening.